From hosting the AFC Championship to hosting thousands wanting to get a COVID-19 vaccine, Missouri Governor Mike Parson announcing a mass vaccination event is coming to Arrowhead Stadium. This two-day event will vaccinate up to 6,000 people. It's set to begin next Friday, March 19th, and wrap up Saturday, March 20th. The events will form 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. both days. The clinic will use the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, so those who receive the shot will not have to return for a second dose. Those who have signed up for a vaccine through the Jackson County Health Department will be selected for this clinic and notified to set up an appointment. Now, we reached out to Mayor Quinton Lucas, who said this: the state's announcement of a COVID-19 large-scale vaccination event at Arrowhead Stadium is a good, if belated step, but one mass vaccination event is not enough. I will continue our efforts with FEMA on additional events, and we'll continue working with Governor Parson and Missouri government to get more vaccines to Kansas City. The governor's announcement comes on the one-year anniversary of COVID-19 being declared a global pandemic. This virus has made an impact on everyone, and so much has changed, right? But things look a whole lot better today than they did on this day in 2020. 41 Action reporter Sarah Blake explains where we stand right now.
One of the most common side effects you can have will be just a sore arm.
1 year after COVID-19 was declared a global pandemic, the nation and Kansas City are still recovering.
Come on over.
But it seems like we might be headed in that direction with the effort to get everybody vaccinated.
It was great. It's the right thing to do. I want this crap to be over with and get back to normal.
Bill Worley got his vaccine in KCK at one of the Unified Government Health Department's clinics. They opened it up to walk-ins for people 65 years and older.
When I was a kid going to school, every year or so we'd get a polio vaccination. And polio's gone. Maybe we can get rid of this stuff too.
Right now, only 5.7% of Wyandotte County residents have completed the vaccination process. COVID cases are much lower right now than they were in late 2020, but so is testing.
Because our positivity rate among the people who are tested is also down. So we're seeing lower cases even among the people who are getting tested, which is a good sign. But again, we don't want people to lose sight of the importance of testing.
This is a graph from the Mid-America Regional Council showing the number of daily new cases we had last March compared to today. Last March 15th, it was 5. The number has fluctuated in the last couple days, but as of March 10th of this year, we're at 83. This virus has also showed hospital staff that it was unpredictable.
Would have never dreamed last March that we would still be in, whether we'd be anywhere near in the position we are now a year from that period of time. So it has been surprising.
So much has happened in a year. Sarah Blake joining us. Sarah, where do both states stand in vaccinations?
Well, including this site here in KCK, 740,000 vaccine doses have been administered in Kansas, and that brings the total here to 16.9%. That's how much of the population in Kansas has been vaccinated against COVID-19. And then across state line over in Missouri, 17.5% of the population has received their dose. And then starting Monday, Missouri moves into its next phase, and that'll open it up so that 500,000 more people will then be eligible to get the vaccine. Kevin?
Good news for so many waiting for that shot. Sarah Blake reporting live. Thank you.